Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to block and unblock downloads from the internet in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your computer and wait until your Windows 11 system completely loads up. Make sure everything is fully booted before proceeding, as this ensures all system settings are accessible and ready to use. Once your PC is ready, navigate to your Windows Start menu, which you'll find in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it to open the Start menu. In the search bar that appears, type Settings and press Enter. This will launch the Microsoft Settings window, which is your control center for customizing Windows 11 features and security options. From the list of options in the Settings window, click on Update and Security. This section houses important security and update configurations for your system. Within the Update and Security settings, you'll see several options on the left side pane. Click on Windows Security from this list. This is where Windows manages all your security features, including virus protection, firewall settings, and download controls. Once inside Windows Security, look at the right side pane and select App and Browser Control. This option gives you control over what apps can do and how your browser handles potentially harmful content. It's an essential feature for managing download safety and protecting your system from malicious files. Next, click on Reputation-Based Protection Settings. This section specifically deals with how Windows evaluates and blocks downloads based on their reputation and source. It's designed to keep your computer safe from files that come from untrusted or low-reputation websites. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Potentially Unwanted App Blocking. This is the key setting that controls whether Windows blocks downloads from low-reputation websites on the internet. To block downloads from these untrusted sources, simply toggle this option on. Once enabled, Windows will automatically prevent downloads that it identifies as coming from questionable or low-reputation sites, adding an extra layer of protection to your browsing and downloading activities. If you ever need to unblock downloads again, perhaps because you trust a specific website or need to download a file that's being incorrectly flagged, simply return to this same setting and toggle the Potentially Unwanted App Blocking option back off. This gives you complete control over when this protection is active. And that's it. You've now configured Windows 11 to either block or allow downloads from the internet based on your preference. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.